Hello, friends. Welcome back to another fun project. Today, we'll be using Paint 3D to create a colorful and creative house using both 2D and 3D shapes. Get ready to express your creativity and have fun designing your dream house. Let's get started. Opening Paint 3D and setting up the canvas. First, let's open Paint 3D and start with a blank canvas. Click on New to begin. This will give us a clean space to design our house, creating the base of the house with 2D shapes. Let's begin by creating the base of the house using a 2D shape. Click on the 2D Shapes menu and select a rectangle. Drag the rectangle on your canvas to form the main body of your house. You can change the color of your house by clicking on the color palette. Let's make it bright and colorful, adding the roof with 3D shapes. Now, let's add a roof using a 3D shape. Click on the 3D Shapes menu and select a triangle. Rotate it using the 3D Rotate tool and place it right on top of the house to form the roof. You can adjust the size and color of the roof to make it look just right. Isn't it fun to see your house taking shape? Designing the door and windows with 2D shapes. Next, let's add a door and some windows using 2D shapes. Use rectangles for the door and small circles or squares for the windows. Feel free to make them colorful, maybe a yellow door and blue windows. You can use the fill tool to add colors easily, adding details and decorations. Let's make the house even more fun by adding decorations. You can use circles for trees, triangles for rooftops, and lines to create a pathway. Use the 3D Rotate tool to adjust the shapes and give them depth, saving your artwork. Wow! Your house looks amazing. Now it's time to save your artwork so you can show it to your family and friends. Click on Menu, then Save As, and choose Image. Give your project a name and click Save. Conclusion: great job, everyone! You just created a fun house using both 2D and 3D shapes in Paint 3D. Now you know how to express your creativity using different tools. Remember, 1. Use 2D shapes for flat objects like doors and windows. 2. Use 3D shapes to give depth, like the roof. 3. Customize your house with fun colors and thanks for joining today's project. Now it's your turn to create your own dream house. Have fun and see you next time.